Well, guys, not real happy at the moment, but yeah, I got the truck all cleaned up. If you watched the video from last night or yesterday, truck's all cleaned up in here in the shop, but we have a bit of an issue. Yeah, if you've been following along, you knew I had a spot down here on this fender. It's worse than I thought. I was hoping it was just a crack in the Rapture liner, but no. I think I have a bit of a problem. Oh, let's see what we got there. You know what? I'm not going to do that right now. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do here. Either going to, hopefully I can just fix that, and that'll be all good. I'm hoping I don't have to get a whole new fender. I don't know. I'm gonna take this guy right there and start sanding away on the Rapture liner, because right now I'm starting to peel back metal, and we'll see what's going on. There's going to be a full video on that, I believe, tomorrow. That's the plan anyway. And I just told James from Central Oregon Shenanigans, which if you don't know who I'm talking about, go check out his and Kyle's channel, Central Oregon Shenanigans. They got some stuff going on over there, but anyway, just told him he needs to come out here and help me do this. But we'll see. We'll see. This really, it's not that big of a deal, guys. It'll get all fixed up one way or another. I'm kind of stuffed up, so bear with me here. I don't know. It's real life. I know when I put that fender on, I got this fender out of the salvage yard, and when I got it home, I know I did a little bit of work down here. I don't know if I just didn't get all the cancer out of it or what, but I'm going to start sanding away on that. And like I said, full video out on that tomorrow, but I thought I'd do a quick little update for you on that tonight. Can't say I'm happy with it, but you know, what can you do? It is what it is, and we'll get her fixed up. Nice day here today. It was like, I don't know how warm it was. 50, 53, 54. It's probably in the upper 40s right now, but there's no wind. I was out here just in a t-shirt. Good part of the day. It was about 50 degrees and the sun was out. It was a really nice day. It's supposed to turn cold just north of me, a couple counties. Snow tomorrow, and like northwest Iowa was supposed to get like 8.5 inches of snow, something like that. I think they're calling for an inch around here, is what I heard on the radio a little bit ago. So anyway, guys, full video coming out on this tomorrow, and we'll get her fixed up. Just not exactly sure what I'm into yet, and I hate doing this. Absolutely hated. There was just a little tiny crack, and I stuck this screwdriver in there and started prying away on it, and yeah, that's where I'm at right now. But I'm gonna keep going on this here tonight, and if you watch the video tomorrow, you'll see what's going on. Anyway, guys, that's all I've got for you tonight.